VSK Business Consultant, your trusted recruitment partner in Chennai. VSK Business Consultant boasts a remarkable 40 years of experience within the business industry, establishing itself as a highly respected and reliable partner for recruitment in Chennai. Led by the esteemed Vijay Mauli, VSK Business Consultant specializes in meticulously identifying top talent across a diverse range of industries, ensuring a perfect match between employers and qualified candidates. For aspiring job seekers, are you eager to embark on a new and exciting career path? Look no further than VSK Business Consultant. They maintain a comprehensive database of job openings spanning numerous industries. Here's just a glimpse of the exciting opportunities they offer. Retail. Are you passionate about fashion and customer service? Explore vibrant opportunities in garment showrooms, gold showrooms, supermarkets, and more. Hospitality. Do you thrive in fast-paced environments and enjoy providing exceptional service? VSK Business Consultant can connect you with rewarding positions in hotels, restaurants, and other hospitality-related businesses. Manufacturing and production. Put your technical skills to good use. Explore a range of opportunities in the dynamic world of manufacturing and production. Finance and accounting. Do you possess a keen eye for detail and a talent for financial analysis? VSK Business Consultant can help you secure fulfilling positions within the finance and accounting sectors. Administration and office support. Are you organized, detail-oriented, and enjoy assisting others? Discover rewarding opportunities in administration and office support roles. Back office operations. VSK Business Consultant understands the critical role of back office operations and can connect you with positions that ensure the smooth functioning of an organization. Whether you are a recent graduate eager to launch your career or an experienced professional seeking a new and stimulating challenge, VSK Business Consultant caters to diverse aspirations. They offer a variety of opportunities, including both full-time and part-time positions, ensuring there's a perfect fit for everyone's needs and preferences. Ready to take the next step? Job seekers are encouraged to submit their resumes to vsbusinessconsultant@gmail.com. VSK Business Consultant's dedicated team will promptly review your qualifications and connect with you to discuss potential opportunities that align with your career goals. Empowering employers. Are you facing the challenge of filling a crucial position within your organization? VSK Business Consultant can be your ideal partner in this endeavor. Simply share your specific job requirements with them at vsbusinessconsultant@gmail.com. Their team of seasoned professionals boasts a comprehensive understanding of the Chennai job market and possesses a strong network of qualified candidates. By leveraging their expertise, you can be confident in finding the perfect individual to fill your open position, regardless of the industry. The VSK Business Consultant Advantage. In-depth knowledge of the Chennai job market. VSK Business Consultant has established a strong presence within the Chennai business landscape, granting them an unparalleled understanding of the current job market trends, salary structures, and in-demand skill sets. Strong network of qualified candidates. Over the course of 40 years, VSK Business Consultant has meticulously built a vast network of qualified candidates across various industries. They have access to a pool of talented individuals actively seeking new opportunities, ensuring a wider selection for employers. Proven track record of successful placements. VSK Business Consultant takes pride in its remarkable track record of successful placements. Their meticulous approach and commitment to understanding both employer and employee needs result in mutually beneficial matches that foster long-term success. Partnering for success. By choosing VSK Business Consultant as your recruitment partner, you are investing in the success of your team. Their dedication to finding the perfect talent empowers your organization to build a high-performing and well-matched workforce. Connect with VSK Business Consultant today. Ready to explore the possibilities? Here's how you can connect with VSK Business Consultant. Website. Visit their website at www.vsbusinessconsultant.in for a comprehensive overview of their services and to learn more about their commitment to successful recruitment. YouTube channel. Subscribe to their YouTube channel at VS Business Consultant for insightful content and industry updates. Social media. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram for regular job postings and company news. Contact Vijay Mauli. For a personalized discussion about your recruitment needs, contact Vijay Mauli directly at 9,840,336,999. With VSK Business Consultant as your trusted partner, you can be confident in building a strong, well-matched team that propels your organization towards enduring success.